update on this guy, the tfv4 rebuildable by the Smok company. I got their dual coil rebuildable tank, and it's a lot better. Much better. Wick's good, keeps up. I'm only at 43.5 watts, but doing its job. You can see, it works pretty good. And oh, this is some good stuff. It's approaching that time for apple cinnamon flavors, and this is a fucking good one. But if you have one of these already and you got the single coil rebuildable deck, try to find the dual. It's a hell of a lot better, and it's easier to wick. Wick's good. No problems yet. It's like the 4th, 5th tank full through it yet. And I'd recommend it, definitely. Since the coils that come with this fucker, the dual coil, or the tri-coil, the quad coil, and the 6-coil temperature control, like replacement heads, are pretty hard to find right now. They're out of stock everywhere I look. This dual coil rebuildable you can find, and it works well. So I take back what I say. Don't get a Kanger. Fucking get one of these and a dual coil rebuildable deck in. And you'll be happy. It's pretty close to dripper experience, I think. That's about it. So, peace out. Hope y'all having a good day, and